Welcome guys to this price action strategy I'm going to be revealing and documenting in this video. Stay tuned and grab everything you have to know about price action trade strategy, and get a pen, get a book, and write down everything that I'm going to be studying from this price action strategy. So without wasting of time, if you are new to my YouTube channel, this is something Forex. Stay tuned and be consistent in everything you do in forex trading so that you can be a profitable trader someday as soon as can come. So beginning with this chart pattern that we see here, these are very good examples of the reversal chart patterns that I'm going to be documenting. So I'll begin with chart patterns. So first of all, we have an inverse head and shoulder. We have a double bottom. We have triple bottom. We have double bottom again. Then we have head and shoulder. We have double top. We have again the triple bottom. So all these strategies are very important. Whenever you see a double top, is a sign for you to go short, and whenever you see a double bottom, is for you to go long, and whenever you see triple top, is for you to go long as to short, and when you see triple bottom, is for you to go long. I hope you understand. So that it is. So we are going to progress to this spot, the chart pattern. So we have different varieties of chart patterns, and these chart patterns are repetitions of the chart patterns which I already explained earlier. So this is just a repetition of all the chart patterns to see in a line pattern. In a line pattern, those who are in a trend line pattern, these ones are line pattern. So I will be talking on reversal chart pattern. Very important chart pattern to know when the market is about to reverse. This is very important for position trading. You know when the market is about to go long, the market is about to go short. If you know the reversal patterns, you can enter the trade and you're going to hold your trade for a very long time. Master these trading strategies and you will be a profitable trader. Those are very important points to enter and to exit. And I don't know, irrespective of the type of trader you are, I think it's very important for you to incorporate swing and position trading into your trading strategy because you hold the market for so long. So, in summary, these are the chart patterns that this one you should know at all time. You should be familiar with the head and shoulder patterns. We have the double top. We have the rising wedge. We have the inverse head and shoulder, which is a reversal pattern for long. We have the descending weight, which is a clear indication that the market is going to go long. And we have as well as double top, which is a clear indication that the market is going to be bearish. So these are also CPI, Consumer Price Index, are very important news that always comes out in forex trading, and most of the time it's always after NFP. So it's one of the greatest volatile news in forex trading. So always find out when CPI is going to come out and you're going to make insane profit. So trading, you have to trade with a laptop. You have to trade with a laptop to see the market from a bigger picture. But if you cannot afford the laptop, you can begin with a mobile phone, and you keep growing with time. But observe market in a bigger picture will make you profitable. These are very important influence strategies for a very great price action strategy, where you stay in the market for long after entering at a very important support level, and this type of trading has a very insane profit, I can tell you, because you're going to hold the market for so long irrespective of the trading instrument that you're going to use, be it ZOS USD, be it whatever currency pair that you trade, you're going to be in insane profits. Always enter the market at a support level. Gold USD is one of the greatest volatile pairs to trade. You can learn to trade gold for high return. So these are very important sites to buy and sell. So you buy at a support level and you are going to sell at a resistance level. So we call it buy side liquidity. So these are buy side liquidities. Always buy when the market is closer to a support level and you sell when the market is at a resistance level. So these are very important chart patterns that we have here. We have the first one right down to the bottom left. We have three candlestick dominant break, which is a clear indication the market is going to go bullish. We have also the evening star. We have the morning star, which is also a clear indication for a bullish trade. We also have here um, we have the indecision when you see the bullish is almost the same like this. The bullish is almost the same like the the bearish trend. That's kind of an indecision. So during this process, you have to wait for the market to go long. So more so talking of bullish trend, you are going to have what we call bullish liquidity, where you are going to we're on a second chart. We're on a second chart where you see a small bearish pattern and a very big bullish pattern. So that's what we call engulfing characteristics pattern. Then you have the morning stars. You have the bullish, the the bullish piercing, where you have a bearish trend, then after you're going to have a bullish trend. So you are going to have what we call the normally most of these candlesticks pattern I will advise you to stick to one or two, three, so that you can be consistent. You cannot stick all the chart. I advise to stick to the last candlestick that was found bottom left, which is what we refers to as the trailing green soldiers. The three green soldiers are also refers to as a dominion break or dominion buy, and also the evening stars. The evening star is always also very important. You also take response to the morning stars, and also the morning soldiers. So you have the morning stars, and you have the morning EG stars. So you can stick to those candlesticks and to trade them and be very profitable. Also now there are evening stars, which is an inverse of the morning stars, and you have three bearish soldiers, which are inverse of the which are also three consecutive bearish trends. So these are clear examples of the chart pattern which I just mentioned. So you have one of the greatest strong chart patterns that we already explained earlier. As you can see, it indicates strong strength for a bullish buy or for long trade, and you see on the right side strong indications for bearish. So most of these trades are always important at actually a key level or support and resistance. When you see this, it's a clear indication that the market is going to reverse. So if you see the strong bullish trend, it's an indication the market is going to long, especially on higher time frame. Then if you see the bearish trend, especially on higher time frames, an indication the market is going to go long. But you can still use this on a smaller time frame to do some skipping entries, and you're going to make insane profit. And these are what are illustration of the bearish trend for you to have a clearer picture. Which is not much of a difference of these ones. So I've broken down this one so that you will understand the candlestick pattern in detail, where you have an inside where they are going to have some reduction in strength, then after you are going to have some rising aspects of bullish trend, and it's an indication the market is going to go long. Then you have what we talk of the tree outside where you have a breakout of the resistance, and after immediately after breakout of the initial bearish trend, you see the market start to go bearish, and the three candlestick soldiers, which is also refers to the dominant buy. So we have that, and the reverse is also true with the bearish strength. So these are the situations for you to see. This one have incorporated many bearish trends. Those were more of bullish trends, but these ones have incorporated many bullish bearish trends for short. So all these strategies are insane when you picture it on a higher time frame. And when you picture that on a higher time frame, you can come to lower time frame and look for entries to go long and hold for a long straight position, or you can decide to do your escaping as the market goes to move to the nearest support and key level. This is an illustration of a great past action strategies that you must analyze when trading the forex market. This is a clear illustration of a twin where market goes and it goes and forms a breakout as if it was going to continue. Immediately it begins to go down again. This is an example of a twin. Whenever you begin to observe this on a higher time frame, know that the market is going to reverse and it's time for you to take an entry, or you can go to lower time frame and look for trading opportunities. It's always good for you stay in the market for a very long time so that you can make insane profit. Remember, I am a position and assume trader, though I do also a bit of scalping. So this is an example of a bearish patterns which is formed, though you may think it's going to buy, but it will not buy, but it continues to go bearish. So we have other candlesticks combined here for bullish and bearish trends. You see the repetition here. What was happening there for the bullish trend, we equally have it here for the bearish trend. So the markets, we have three candles bearish soldier sticks. We have the evening star, we have the evening stars, and we have other candlesticks pattern that you can see here. So stick to one or three candlesticks patterns and you complete your strategy. Or if you can take all, still good for you. So these are candlesticks patterns that are formed. We see this one are all engulfing candlesticks, and the first is an engulfing stick candlestick. The second also an engulfing candlesticks, which are all bearish engulfing candlesticks as well. And the last candlesticks at the right is what we could refer to as the evening stars, and their indication that the market is going to be bearish. And this is a wider expression of all bearish trends. As you can see, you see candlesticks, combination of everything. You see a funny bottom, dominion candlestick, three candlestick soldiers or dominion cell, and all these ones are indications that market is going to long. Here are a great example of news. I discuss of NFP and I discuss of CPIs, NFP non-farm payroll. So these are trades that you have to stick to them so that you will be very profitable. I hope this makes you well. I hope you understand all the concepts that were here. If this has been, if you have been this far, it means you have learned a lot. Hit the subscribe button and keep sharing for new videos so that you will be notified when each video comes out. Peace out.